Okay, this is cool. So this is an app called Textra. Textra. This is my dad. He's in France right now. He's in France or Spain. I don't know. They're eating. They're doing well. Okay. So if okay, you're a professional salesperson and you're like, okay, a lady out in the middle of nowhere, she's like, okay, come back and help me next year on June 31st. So you're like, okay, cool. I'll text you that week. Does that make sense? How are you going to be able to text her that week? Okay. Now, if um you meet some girl, right? And she's like, let's hang out Sunday. You're like, okay, I'll text you Saturday. Okay, cool. Text me Saturday. She thinks that you're never going to be able to text her because you're going to forget, right? But you're going to be able to text her on Saturday because you have Textra. Now let's use it again. You have an appointment at 5 o'clock next Friday, but instead of doing the okay, here you go. Here you go. Let's open this up. See all this hail? It's awesome, right? So let's say I say, uh, love you, Dad. Hope you're doing well, eating way too. Is it TOO or TO? I think it might be T. Let's just say TO much. Can't ever figure that out. Once I figure that out, then I'll be done with the English language. All right, so now I'm going to go here. All right, so I'm going to hit this button right here. And then I'm going to hit, okay, so right now it is 7:28. So that means it's 3:28. Greenwich time, 7 to 2. Is that right? 7? Is it 7? 7 and 2. Okay, so let's do tomorrow at 12:31 a.m. You got to hit the a.m. Then you hit OK. Then you hit that. All right. So send tomorrow from my phone at 12:32 a.m., which is 8:30 where he's at. That's crazy. That changes the game. Now here, let's do it again real fast. All right, so I'm here. I hit that button, okay? Now let's say I do this and then I do the 26th, right? Friday the 26th. Well, today is not the 26th, it's the 15th, right? So I'm going to hit that. He's going to be back in America. So I'm going to say, see, if I do it at 11, then it'll be 9:30, which is too late for him, right? He's on the East Coast. So let's just say I do it at 7 or 2:30, 2:29 p.m., which is 4:29. So I hit that. And then I say, what up, Pappy? Boom, boom, boom. Let's uppercase this because he's my senior. All right, boom. Boom. See that? Friday the 26th at 2:30. He's going to get a what's up, Pappy? Your iPhone can't do that. Huh? 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 See? There's certain things that you should know. And if you have an Android phone, see the keyboard? That's the G keyboard, Google keyboard. You want that. And then you want to turn it black like that. And then you want to go to your Textra app and you want to change it to be in dark mode. But you see, it's Textra because it's extra, right? So we could do this. Low hanging fruit. All right, now let's do that. And let's go to whatever. I mean, you can put whatever you want, right? Hit that. The devil. I use the devil all the time. I'm not going to show you any of my pictures. You get it. You get it. I'm out. I'm done with this video. It's time to blow this pop stand to bits.